Hello, this is Dr. Jeff, and we've all seen the White House on television. For those of you who have been to Washington, D.C., perhaps you've seen it from a distance, like through the gates as we're just passing by. But how many of you have actually gone inside the White House? Well, that's something that, because I got a special guest pass from a special friend, we're gonna have the opportunity to do that just today.
So we received this visitor's guide here, and then you can see how it has a little map of the interior and exterior of the White House in different views. And you can see here how there's like the East Lobby and the East Colonnade and the movie theater and the Jacqueline Kennedy Garden, the East Garden, the booksellers area. You got the ground floor corridor, the library, these different rooms that have like colors, like the Vermilion Room, the China Room, the Diplomatic Reception Room. What else do we got here? We also have the Entrance Hall and the Cross Hall, the East Room, the Green Room, the Blue Room, the Red Room, the Dining Room, and then of course the West Wing, which includes the Oval Office and the Cabinet Room, the Roosevelt Room, the Rose Garden, the Press Room, and then the second floor, which also includes the Yellow Room, and what else we got here? We got the Lincoln bedroom and the Queen's bedroom, and that comes with this White House visitors guide, and you can see the timeline here.